Hello, welcome back. So today, that was a crow banger. So today I've been working on the ensuite. It's quite dark in here as usual, but we're putting the stud wall up. The electrician's coming tomorrow, so that should fix the lighting issue. I've cut these into the wall. They're just the boxes for the switches. Here you go, example. Just put it on like that. I showed in the last episode where I fed all the cables through. I sort of cut through this by accident with the jigsaw, but luckily it's in the right place, I think. It should do. Also, there's another one. It was quite a bodge, if I'm honest. Oh, let's just hold it. I was stopping it falling back in because it was a right pain using the jigsaw. We do have the proper tools somewhere, but we've just got so much gear, it takes hours finding it. I'm looking, I think tomorrow I'll fit another one of these, just about there-ish. Because you can never have enough plug sockets. I've got to be careful though, because I haven't really decided where the sink will be yet for the kitchen. But yeah, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So it's coming on all right. It didn't take too long pulling that stud walling. We're going to leave the ensuite for now, because like I said last time, we're going to feed all the plumbing through the back here. So take it through the floor and out or whatever. But yeah, I've just been doing a bit more installation, working out where the electrician's gonna be. I mean, should be alright if I put one more in the end there. Yeah, it's looking alright. Tomorrow we're gonna start cladding this side. So we got the breather membrane here. We use this on the floor, we got loads of it. So that should do the pod and some. Here's the cladding. It's feather boarding. I can't remember what it was. I think it's 6-inch. Yeah, round about. Not quite. Yeah, I don't know what that is in metric. You can read off the tape measure. What's that? 15 centimeters. Yeah, so we'll be cladding that on, overlapping it, and we'll be putting a tin arch, or whatever it's called, yeah, you know what I mean, on the top, to stop the water. Yeah, another thing with these boards is they're exactly 4.8 meters. The pod is 4.8 meters, so I mean, if I get a piece of wood, they'll be flush like that, which isn't ideal because the water can seep in, and I mean, we've got to protect that. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut them, have a full board, right? Cut it so it lines up with this arch, and have it overhanging by so much, so it gives a little bit of a canopy. Bit of shelter for your wellies and stuff, and protects the wood, the plywood. Yeah. What else? I mean, that's all for now, really. Tomorrow's going to be the big day with the electrician and whatnot. But yeah. As for doors, I've been looking online. We're going to fit just one PVC French door here. That should give enough light in. And then down here we're having a window there. Oh, we're also fitting a sliding door. Oh, it's dark in here. Just across here with a rail going that way. Should be good. And yeah, yeah, I guess I better end the video. I'll probably add it into for one yesterday actually, because it's only 5 minutes long. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you probably tomorrow.